What is this?
That's noodle.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go back. Hai teman-teman semua, balik lagi di Binai Channel. Nah, semoga teman-teman selalu sehat dan selalu bahagia. Dan yang pastinya, terima kasih karena teman-teman selalu rajin nonton vlognya Binai. So, teman-teman, hari ini aku masak pastinya, karena kalian senang nontonnya kalau masak-masak. Masak apa? Aku kepikiran untuk bikinin nasi tumpeng. Nah, aku belum pernah bikin teman-teman, jadi all of food, semua makanan yang aku masakin buat teman-teman aku rata-rata aku belum pernah bikin gitu. Nah, makanya aku gak deg-degan nih, deg-degan. Semoga berhasil. Masalahnya lebih ke numpenginnya ya. Kalau bikin nasi kuningnya kan aku bisa numpenginnya itu gitu loh. So, yes, doakan aku semoga berhasil teman-teman. Teman-teman, meanwhile aku udah selesai bikin beberapa makanan untuk nasi tumpengnya. Jadi ini ada tempe orek, terus ini serundeng, dan ini sambal kentang, telur rebus yang udah digoreng, kerupuk, pastinya harus ada kerupuk teman-teman. Nah, selanjutnya itu yang belum masih harus dibikin adalah mie gorengnya, dan ayamnya sendiri itu ada lagi dipanggang. Nah, sengaja nggak aku goreng teman-teman, karena memang kan lebih sehat aja kalau dipanggang ya, karena hemat minyak juga gitu. Untuk mie gorengnya, aku bikin mie goreng Jawa. Jadi bedanya sama mie goreng biasa mungkin karena pakai daun salam, terus pakai saus tiram, dan pokoknya nggak susah lah kalau untuk mie goreng sendiri. Untuk nasi kuningnya, aku bikin yang simple banget, jadi masaknya juga pakai panci, nggak pakai dandangan. Nah, ini nih tahap yang paling sulit teman-teman, karena aku juga belum pernah bikin tumpeng sendiri dan nggak punya cetakan tumpeng, jadi lakunya harus kreatif banget. Yang ada di pikiranku kemarin itu ya udah pakai Tupperware, jadi yang size-nya beda-beda. Untuk kuncupnya sendiri aja seperti teman-teman lihat itu dari saringan sebenarnya. Cuman ujung-ujungnya jadi juga kan, yang penting ada bentuknya lah. Dan voila, nasi tumpengnya siap untuk dihidangkan. Guys, you can come in.
Oh, cool. Oh my, wow.
That's the food.
Wow. Okay, so this is mine, right?
Yes, if you can finish that.
Dude, I'm so hungry.
Yes, exactly. That's why I said.
Oh my god, thank you so much for putting the chicken near me. Okay?
What is this? This is a crunchy chip. This everybody loves that. You're gonna like it as well. Have a seat. Everybody have a seat.
What is this?
I'm
Yes.
not gonna lie. I'm drawing.
Yeah, you draw.
I'm sorry so much.
Yes, that's why.
Can I like Indonesia kind of thing?
Huh?
Can I like Indonesia?
Yes, with hands. Yes, wash your hands.
They're going already.
Yes.
I took a shower.
They're gonna eat with hands. You can eat with your fork. Cutlery, no worries.
If you say go, I'll go. I
Okay.
want to eat this so
Potato?
much. Oh my god, I'm doing so much.
These. What is this? This eggs. Oh, yes.
And these.
I want everything.
This tempe.
Oh yes, tempe. What is this? What is this?
That's a potato.
Oh! What is this?
That's noodle.
No!
Okay, let's go back. Surprise! Hi guys! So finally teman-teman kita bikin nasi tumpeng. So Tiago, this was I supposed to make for your housewarming party. So finally I can make it now. This is nasi tumpeng.
Nasi tumpeng.
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 Yeah, nasi tumpeng, exactly. So this is from the Java island, the Java tradition. They always make it when there's like a special occasion or celebration. And when you have a birthday or when you're like moving to new apartment, so that we wishes for something good, we make a good food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So like you see that always like a different kind of like side dishes inside this one is a turmeric rice, you know. I think we ate once, but I don't know if Nick have tried that.
Tiago can almost not hold himself back. He's like,
Tiago udah nggak sabar teman-teman, dia sudah
like a lion seeing the
Dia
like
bilang
leopard
dia
seeing the
mikir.
gazelle or
Like, I am the crocodile and the
Okay,
zebra.
we can give explanation.
I'm like, oh,
He's like,
zebra.
he's just saying like, oh yeah, this is mine, that's mine, that's mine. So yeah, it's now I make it with the chicken, and you asked about this, right? This is actually the coconut meat.
Oh.
Yeah, and you cook it, and then that's you put like a little bit turmeric and stuff. You're gonna try whether you like it or not, but it's very Indonesian. And then like fried noodle, eggs. I fried it, and then like tempe. Do you know tempe, Nick?
It's like pork.
No,
What
it's
is
protein. Do you know
The opposite.
tofu?
Pork.
Yes. Do you know tofu?
Made out of.
Is this made from
soya,
the
right?
soybean? Yeah.
Soybean.
but-
Okay, to
Tiago
be
likes
fair,
it.
it actually looks like bacon, right?
It
If you
looks like
yeah.
that's true because I cook it with the sweet soy sauce.
Oh my god, stop talking!
I'm sorry. So, go.
Okay, let's go.
Here. This is for the rice. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can't just go wild.
Oh my god, people!
I'm so hungry. Go wild. You like it, right? That's a gap. So we eat with these chips. So the boys know already. What is going on? They're hungry. I told them to come here.
Tempe.
They're hungry.
Let me try it.
So try you. Will
What do you want?
Just let them
Fernandez.
Fernandez is the only one civilized.
Oh, do we need some spoons maybe to take everything or?
Oh yeah, that's true.
When
That's
I get
why
it.
they take with the hand. Sorry guys, that was our fault. Spoon, 2 spoon or 3.
Can I have the sweet chili?
Oh, the sweet chili.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. Sorry, I should make the sambal, but I just really forget about the
Thank you.
Makan,
Max is
Angel,
what do you want?
selamat makan. Guys, it's okay. Just eat, Alex, don't worry.
You want this?
Yeah.
This one on the top.
The top.
Okay.
And with everything.
Everything. Okay.
I'm just gonna eat my hands as well. Yum. Let's do that.
Oops.
And the eggs. And the noodles.
Chicken.
Yeah, the breast, no, I don't like the breast. It's all breast, I don't like your breast. Just the thigh. I think it has thigh. This one is thigh.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, that's one thigh.
You can want them.
Yeah.
Alex can give you the noodles.
Could you keep a little bit noodles, Alex? It's good. Thank
Actually,
you.
me too.
Thank you. I'm supposed to be with this chili sambal. I'm so sorry I didn't make that.
It's okay. We have chili.
Let's try the yellow
This is a little bit spicy.
Really? I
This
think like a
one.
little bit
Yep.
chili.
Thanks. That's fine.
That's what happened in Indonesia. I said no spicy and it was like this.
Really?
Yes.
Is it too spicy for you?
Spicy.
Or it's okay?
It's okay. Now I eat spicy now.
No, you are stronger.
But this is my limit.
Oh, okay. Whew.
That was me, Indonesia. No spicy.
They're like,
I don't want chili a little bit. Just one chili.
They don't know no spicy.
No, yeah. That's why I was like, it's not spicy, but it's still chili in there.
When everybody's silent, you know the food is good.
Yeah, that's enough.
I like it a lot. was actually a huge plate. The rice was really good.
Yeah.
But my favorite ones was potatoes, the chicken, of course, and the noodles.
The noodles.
That was good. I actually really liked the combination of everything. It was a little bit of like it was fresh, but like the texture was different, right? Like a little bit of the chicken texture with like the noodles, the rice, the tempeh, the potato was so good. It was my favorite one.
Yeah, I see you ate like a lot from the potato.
No, and then I was like, you know what? I was starving and now I'm full. So, thumbs up.
Me
Ooh,
too.
if I'm having a party, I know who to call.
Yeah.
Nancy, make the dinner, please. I love everything.
Yay.
Mostly, I love the drumsticks. That was delicious. And this coconut shavings are absolutely delicious. Never ate it before.
Yeah.
It's always a pleasant surprise. Tempeh, I still need to become friends with it.
It's your
But
first time eating it?
First time eating it.
Ah.
It was really nice, and that's why I ate it. But I still need to become friends with it. Well, thumbs up. Double thumbs up.
Yay, thank you.
I love this nasi kuning. It is made with coconut milk, santan, and I love this because it gives a very good taste to the rice. And yeah, grilled noodles is one of my favorites. I love that. Tempeh was great. But I think I share Nick's opinion. The one that really blew my mind, what was the best part actually, was the chicken with this coconut on top of it. That made it really, really good.
Yeah, it
Thumbs
goes
up.
through it.
So I liked everything.
Yeah.
Little bit spicy for me. My favorite one was the cheese and the chicken. The chicken was very, very good. The protein, it was my first time, but surprisingly, I like it.
Oh,
The potato was very good too. So, very good.
thank you.
Well, as all the food I ate with you guys is delicious. One of the things, as everybody I think been said before, is the coconut was delicious. It's the first time I tried.
Yeah.
The tempeh I've tried before because now I'm becoming like kind of in between vegetarian and vegan. So I've tried. Indeed, today I had tempeh. It was so delicious. Well, this one was more delicious. I loved it, and with the potato the potato was super good. The rice, the decoration was great. Yeah, in general was super good.
Cool.
I'll go 15 for the plate, 100 for the big thing.
How? 100 for
The
big
big
thing.
boy.
Yeah, 100.
100?
That could feed all my friends.
Yeah.
I think maybe even a little bit more than 100. Maybe 110,
Another that. Okay.
115.
Cool.
Definitely more than 100. It's a lot of food. 120? 120.
120.
The girl that said 30 for the plate is saying 120.
For like the
Right? Like, it doesn't make sense.
This is like 4 plates.
Yeah, it's like this doesn't make like okay, one plate is 30, but like
I mean, it's the discount, right? If you buy like
Oh, yeah,
10,
because you are
10
buying
portions.
more.
Yeah, I guess
it's
exactly.
$100.
Oh, $100. You know, I'm gonna tell you how much it costs you already for that whole thing in Indonesia. I think it is considered a small one.
this one. Wait, what?
Yes, they can be really
Calm
big
down.
on that.
Calm down. You think that this is small?
It is small, yes.
What is the size of people in Indonesia?
We are
They're like
small.
King Momoas or
No.
something. Straight up. How big are you
No,
guys?
the thing is, when you have like a celebration, you invite 60 people. It's not like here. Makes sense, right? Exactly. So like this one, maybe. Yes. So for this one, it's gonna fit like maybe 10 to 15 people, and then they can make it huge or like make some of that. So that's fine. So with this size, is my guessing it's gonna cost me $30 to $50. It depends where you live. If you live in a country,
$30 for
that.
that is a really good price.
Yes.
But wait, calm down. You're saying that with $30 you can buy all that in Indonesia?
Yes, $30 for that.
How much is the ticket? Yeah, let's go.